So let's say hi. Hey guys, welcome to the pre 13 minutes before the actual content starts. And yeah, what's the Coke of the day? Hey, I knew somebody was going to ask that. And I'm really thirsty, so we're going to do the trifecta of Coke. So I have normal Coke, cherry Coke, and then vanilla Coke. So we have all the Cokes. I guess I'll show it in the top-down view. So yeah, we have the normal Coke, and then we have the cherry Coke. See, cherry, and then the vanilla. So I don't know which one should I think I'm just going to start with the normal Coke for today. No, I'll drink cherry in a little bit. Oh, look, the background turned pinkish, Johnny. Didn't finish the Elon stream yet, but hey, there's Quindor. Elon goes on pause. Gotta get those priorities straight. I mean, I bet Elon doesn't drink pleb normal human Coke. He must have some space-age Martian Coke. Who knows? These are from the Albert Heijn, Michael. So I've been doing a lot of stuff behind the scenes. I've been really busy on LED stuff, and I didn't want to do a stream about LED stuff. But then again, I decided, okay, I can either not do a stream, because I've also been working on non-LED stuff behind the scenes that'll come out soon. But I thought I could not do a stream, or I could do one, but then about LEDs, or at least the board. I was like, okay, it's better to have a stream than no stream, so here we are. Elon drinks pure Dogecoin. Yeah, probably. Will there be pink LEDs? There will be no dedicated pink LEDs, but there will be LEDs which you can make pink. Maybe that counts. Yeah, I know. I ding my nose. It happens sometimes. Albert Heijn is the fancy store. I don't know about that. There's much fancier stores to get liquor and stuff. Make them pink! No, well, this board has 3 orange LEDs, I think. But, yeah. Oh, did we do the event in the Discord again? Because I missed it, because I was busy preparing. Oh, we didn't. Wait. Oh, we did. Nice. Who did that? Was that Andy or Philip? Oh, the Lexar drives are bad. What do you mean? You mean these guys? These? Because I have a few of these, and those are great. You did it, Philip. Awesome. Nice. Mr. Snacks, yeah, my ESP32 modules can work standalone just fine. You feed it using micro USB. You feed it using USB-C or using the 5-volt in pin. Excuse me. And then you can use them standalone, no problem. And with this new AE Plus hat we're discussing today, that will have a lot of additional functionality, actually. M37. Let's see what these are. Made in China. 3520W. Aw, that's nice. Make a special edition of the board, a pink one, and call it the Johnny Special. Who knows? Maybe at some point. But we're using the DIY Dig-Uno we put together a few streams back. Or was it last stream? I don't even remember. And you can put pink LEDs on that one if you want to. It was, but I warned him that I didn't buy from that shop. So... What time did we start again? Well, at least you should have been able to get a refund, right, Maiko? Get a refund and then leave some feedback so others know. We need to get more Dig-Unos and more modules. Sure, they'll be coming. Worldwide still has a decent amount of stock right now. And we're looking at sending Dr. Z's a new batch again too. But it's always difficult dealing with all that stuff around Chinese New Year. Because shipping prices go through the roof and production prices go through the roof. And yeah, you know. They so far refuse, but I can open a dispute. Yeah, just open a dispute and include a screenshot of your testing utility. Done. You'll get your money back. They said you need to format them. Right, right. Hearing a shortage with other controllers. Are we safe here? I'm gonna do my stinking best to keep them available for sure. How far is the dig to go? We have been making progress on that. I've decided to make one more prototype while we're working on the case right now. And that'll include an additional feature, which I don't want to talk about right now. And then hardware-wise, it's basically already done. I just wanted to add one little thing. And once the case design is done and we can get those made, well, my target is to have those available in Q1. Now, it might be the last day on Q1, but yeah. Secrets. Well, we're going to talk about a secret board. This is the secret stream. Because we're going to talk about this little board. I guess that could be the teaser of the day. But no, all the dig to go isn't a teaser anymore. The whole stream is a teaser today because we're going to look at something that's not released yet. And let's hope the testing today goes well, because then we might actually be able to release it. That reminds me, I need to look something up, and best to do that in the pre-stream. I like having this music running. I don't always like it in videos, but I do like it during live streams and stuff. So I need to make a little note here. Where's my notepad? What? No notepad. Notepad. SDs 25. Sorry about that. Just need to note something down here, just to make sure I don't remember, or to make sure I don't remember. No, to make sure I don't forget. There we go. That should do it. Okay. I'm here. Hi everyone, Quinn here. How to get temperature reading from the DS at DIY-Dig-Quad with WLED. You need to compile the temperature user mod in WLED. That should do it. What is the board on the thumbnail? that is the AE Plus board, which we're going to be talking about today, which is this guy. There we go. This guy here. So this is the DIY, the updated V3 DIY QuinLED-Dig-Uno. There's 2 people or more are going to test it, and then it's ready for release, I think, because it does very well. And then there's a QuinLED-ESP32 here, and then on top of that, kind of like how my Ethernet hat works, like that, is a new module we're going to be testing today, because this is the newest prototype, and I have done some tests on it, but not all of them yet. And, well, we're going to do those today together, and then see if it works and if it's basically ready for release or not. So I thought instead of me doing that tonight without you guys here, maybe I can do that with you guys here. Are my house numbers still okay? Still working? Yeah, they're working excellent. I don't think they've been off ever since I turned them on for the video, so that's been working great. Time to crack the Coke. No, we still have the Coke here. It's already cracked. Hope nothing is intermittent today, Quinor. Yeah, right. Have you ever made a house Christmas show? No, I have not. I have done some things here and there, but I'm mostly focused on making the hardware, and then other people do lots of crazy stuff with the hardware. So it's kind of funny in a way. Are we also going to see magic smoke from the load testers? Well, I had some magic smoke from the load testers yesterday, but that was because I wired up something wrongly. But maybe we could, I don't know, hook up a load tester to the DIY Dig-Uno and see if it does. I know it does because I already tested that. I said so. I was going to do so in the last stream. But we could maybe do so together too and take a look at the load testers. No, I haven't made shows like that before myself. Nice, Johnny. I really love those load testers. I've been working with all 5 this week because of undisclosed project. And yeah, I really, really love them. They do great if you wire them up right. Just put a 1.4 watt resistor on mains. I don't know. Are you that cold? Secrets. Well, it's 16, so I guess we can start. The music also ended. I'm not sure why. So today we're going to take a look at this guy, and I guess I can zoom you in more. So this guy is the in focus QuinLED-ESP32+AE. Now, that's a whole mouthful, but basically what it does, well, it says so exactly on the board. It has a touch button, which is this one here. Oh, it even has the GPIO number there. That's convenient. And it has infrared, so that's this thing here. It has a little infrared eye, so you can use infrared remotes. And then it has a microphone, so here you can see a little hole for the digital microphone. I am going to be changing this hole a little bit, but that's besides the point. And it has even more. It has an SD card slot. So as you can see here, there is actually an SD card in here. Right, this is a little, I don't know, 8 gig thingy I had lying around. So yeah, there's an SD card reader over there. Let's put that back. And it's a nice one with a clicky feeling. I like the clicky feeling. Could I make you guys hear that? Hold on. Shh, everyone be quiet. No, I don't think you can hear that. Anyway, I like the clicky stuff. Same with good buttons. I like good buttons that click nice. Oh, I twisted the wires. Anyway, and as the last feature, it has the 3x. But the 3x means it has 3 level shifted outputs on this top board itself. Oh, you heard it? Nice. Cool. Okay. I like those little tiny clicky things. So yeah, this has a lot of stuff going on for it. Let me I have the antenna attached. Let me remove the top board so you can see the electronics, I guess. But yeah. So this is it. I guess I should face it that way. So, whoa. Let me try and get that in focus. Nope. There we go. So this is the digital microphone. So that has a very good pickup and it doesn't need any analog circuitry and it's not reliant on the ADC of the ESP32. So it should be a little bit higher quality than having an analog microphone. And well, yeah, this is the SD card slot. I guess everyone can figure that out. And then this is the infrared eye. So it's placed right at the edge of the board. So it should have a decent coverage. The board has its own LDO, so it doesn't load the LDO of the ESP32, provides a bit more stable power and stuff like that. And then it has 3 independent level shifters, like I like using on my my dig boards too. And this comes standard with 33 ohm resistors, so it's more suited for 3-wire cable than 2-wire cable. Now, initially I did that because during development it was like, okay, if people want to use 3-wire cable, instead of having to get data boosters for 3 channels and or change the resistor and stuff like that, they can just get this top hat and that will have 3 channels on there suited for 3-wire cable, and then the baseboard, either a Dig-Uno or a Dig-Quad, will have the channels for the better suited for 1-wire data wire cable. So yeah, that's basically the idea. Go for pink board. No. In the end, this will be white like my production boards are also. So yeah, this slots perfectly onto a QuinLED-ESP32 board. And why is it called the AE Plus? Well, this is the QuinLED-AE or ESP32AE because of the external antenna. And because of the amount of copper in here and the overhang and stuff like that, personally, I feel it only makes sense to make it available as an external antenna module. This top module part also won't become available separately. It'll always come with an ESP32, kind of like the Ethernet version is sold now too. Because if you have a normal ESP32, which you got like an AB or an AE, which you got with a dig board or you bought separately or whatever, that won't have the long pins. So your normal ESP board will look like this, which is fine, but then you can't mount this on there because it doesn't have the long pins it needs. So for now, it's going to be its own product basically, and you can buy it as an upgrade over the ESP that came included with your dig board or separate ESP or whatever. But yeah, in the end, it'll probably be white like this guy. So lots of features on a single board, a bit too many actually. So currently, I'm thinking there will be a version with touch, IR, and a microphone, because that's interesting for use in home. And then there will be a version with touch, SD card, and the 3 extra channels, because that's very interesting for Christmas people and stuff like that. And then there will be a version with all of it, but yeah, of course, that will be most expensive. But yeah. Because then you won't have to be paying for stuff you're not going to use anyway. Right? I mean, no one likes doing that. So yeah, it slots on a Dig-Uno or Dig-Quad. All the Dig-Uno and Dig-Quad sold last year, so the V3 Dig-Uno and the V2 Dig-Quad, or the V3 Dig-Quad. It slots in there and works perfectly. Hold on. And so you can use it to upgrade an existing board, no problem. And I twisted all the power wires now, so now it won't stay. Oh no. Hold on. What did I do? There we go. Think. Let's do it. Okay. Slot it back on there. Yeah, I agree that this is basically, we're now already looking at like a triple stacked board. At some point I'm done upgrading and changing these boards, but I like improving the boards. I mean, I designed this a few years back, and well, if I can make improvements to them still, I will. And especially if I don't have to change the price, but I can just bring you better boards, I will certainly try and do that whenever I can. So, yeah. Anyway, let's zoom back out. Something like that. Let's help the focus a little bit. There we go. And let's just turn this on, because currently WLED V13 Beta 6 is on here. But it's a new build because, let's turn this on and hope it doesn't explode. It does not, and I already programmed this so that it's on LED 16. Actually, I'll show you what's in there. Let me open a new window. Where is my mouse? And then I need to look up the IP real quick, right? Let me share that window with you guys. Right, so this is the well-known WLED by everyone. Or the well-known by everyone WLED. Whatever. And the only configuration that I made is that this has 300 LEDs on GPIO 16, which is the normal LED 1 pin, right? So the first thing I'd like to show you, and this is currently the newest master build, so manually built from the GitHub, because the current beta version doesn't have this fix yet, is that here for button 0, we now have 33, and we have touch selected. Hey. And our touch threshold is 32, right? And that is the default touch threshold, actually. Okay. So what happens now when I push the touch button, I guess we'll leave WLED open. It turns off. And it turns on. And it turns off. And it turns on. Now that actually looks very simple, of course. And that's the way a button should work. No, I don't use PC mode. I don't really like it. I don't know. But yeah, it's a button and you can touch it. And it's pretty responsive. It works well. And I mean, it's really the button, because if I press somewhere not on the button, it doesn't respond, right? It doesn't do anything. And if I press here, that works great. I've been playing with this. It's been really fun. So yeah, it's a free extra button. I mean, what more do you want? Well, I know what more I want. What if I hold it? Oh, look at that. And oh. And now it's orange again, and now it's, hey, it's Johnny's colors. And you can turn it off. You can turn it on. So yeah, I improved this feature over the last prototype, and now it's working excellently, I'd say. I mean, you just have to barely touch it, and it works great, and you can change the colors, and turn it off, turn it on. I'd say this is now working perfectly fine, and ready for release. Or, well, this part of the board is ready for release. Okay, let's not get a hold of ourselves. Yeah, we can just change colors, turn it on, turn it off, change it, and I've also left it, running for hours, and it doesn't have any false touch registrations or stuff like that. I'm pretty happy with it. You can make it all kinds of colors. So yeah, let's drink to that. Let's toast to that. First feature working. Hey. If you double tap it, I don't know, what does double tap do? Oh, it registers the double tap, but only as a turn on, turn off. You can actually make it do something different if you wanted to. If we go back to Chrome, you go to Configuration, LED Preferences. Let's remove the touch button as button 0 and add it as button 1. Touch, save. And now the functionality actually changes, because now if I touch it, nothing happens. But if I hold it, nothing happens. This worked yesterday. Oh wait, now it does. See? Now it changes brightness. So if you now hold the button, you can see the... I guess you can't see. You can see the LEDs becoming brighter and less bright. So now it's becoming brighter, 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 until it's at max. I think this is max. And if I hold it longer, it goes to... Yeah, now it's a very low dim level. So now you can use it to set the brightness. Oh, right. Yeah, that's right, Andy. I was already showing people. But yeah, this is still, I mean, it works, but it's a little bit unresponsive, I'd say. But I like having it as the GPO 0 button, or the button 0, because now I can just, you know, turn it on, turn it off, and change the colors. Which I like. Pew. Yeah. Awesome. Was it not as cheap? What? Yes, the button is very difficult to make it into an enclosure. I get that. You can't really extend that easily. There's some other pins you can extend to use for buttons on enclosures if you want to. But then a touch button wouldn't make sense. And I only included this as a fun extra feature for people who are running the boards in arm's reach. If you have it somewhere else and sitting there in an enclosure or whatever, this touch button doesn't really add much to it. But it's free to add it, and I wanted to play with designing it, and well, I did. So I think it's a nice extra if you run the board like this, and if you don't, that's fine too. Well now, in all my excitement, I almost choked on my Coke. Yeah, it's so stupid, but it's fun. Okay, time to move on to another feature. And I need my notes for that. Okay. Because another thing we can configure right now in the current version of WLD, because we'll be flashing stuff a little bit today, is we can configure the IR GPIO, that is 26, and let's set it to the 24 key RGB. Save. Okay, and let me get that. I think it's over here. Yep. So it's one of these little tiny cheap Chinese IR remotes, and let's see if it works. Off. Okay. On. Okay. Red. Noise. Green. Noise. Blue. White. All kinds of color tones. Sure. Oh, no, here's Johnny's colors again. More features. Yes. Let's see what Flash does. Flash does nothing. Okay, I'm slightly confused by that. These should work. Wait. Okay, more power, less power, that works. So these were working yesterday. Let me try and reboot the board just to be sure. Reboot. Let's see again. Flash? Nope. Doesn't want to do it. Maybe I need to set an effect first. Let's do BPM. Huh. I thought these buttons were working. Maybe I set a different remote? I don't remember. Well, anyway, that's button programming. That's something we can solve later. Did I select a different remote? I don't think so. Anyway, yeah, so these buttons aren't doing anything right now. I'm sure they can be programmed like we can program the colors and stuff like that. But, Johnny, are you over here promoting your own YouTube channel during my live stream? What's going on here? That's okay. Orange is the Dutch color, yes. There we go. So yeah, one of the features of this little board is that it has an IR remote. So, you know, if you want a remote other than your mobile phone to, like, I don't know, turn it off and turn it on again. Turn it on again. No, see, some stuff isn't working exactly like I want it to. You can time him out if you want. Spammer, yes! No, no, Johnny is the spam fighter. So for all the spammers he deleted, he gets to promote his channel. That's okay. Oh, those buttons run a preset. Interesting. So let's make a preset, because I don't think I have any presets. Let's do fireworks. Let's create preset. Oh, no, I guess I should show you. I don't know. Save this as preset, and then let's do noise 3. Always like that. Let's create a preset. Save preset, and let's do Palladi, create preset. Yeah, save preset. Okay, so let's see. Oh, nice! You're right! So now Flash is preset 1, Noise 3 is preset 2, and Fade, or well, preset 3 is now on the Fade button. That's awesome! That's even better. Cool. Okay, that's nice. That's cool. Hey, that's cool. Thanks. Who said that? Chris S. Thank you. That's awesome. Well, we're 2 features down. And now he's even posting his URL. Okay. Well, anyway, we're 2 features down. We have the touch button, which still works, even with the IR on, huh? And we have the infrared remote, and both seem to be working just fine. Even if I don't know how it works myself, it's still working. Anyway, okay. So what should we test next? I guess we can test the 3 extra output channels, make sure those work. To do that, let's configure those. LED preferences. Let's just add 3 more channels and give them 300 LEDs each. And those should be 21, 17, and 22. So, no, distance stays 21, 17, 22. Save. Okay, let me unpower this. Because now we basically activated the 3 data ports on here. So I want my data wire. Need my screwdriver. Yeah. That was tied down very well. Or screwed down. Yeah, we'll do the microphone after this. Okay, so now I can basically touch one of the terminals here with the data wire, and that should give us one of the extra LED channels. Oh, I forgot to turn on the different color per or different segment per channel. Hold on, let me change that real quick. Because you can set in the LED preferences, make a segment for each output. So let's save that again, and then just reboot. Yeah, the Dig-Uno is now a Dig-Penta. So the Dig-Uno, which then became a Dig-Quad, can now be configured as a Dig-Penta. Okay, are we back? I guess so. Yeah, we can change things in the web interface. So now we have several segments, and I believe it sets each segment to a different color. So if I touch the normal data pin on the board, we have our orange LEDs. Let me make this bigger. So that's fine. And now let's touch this data pin. Now they're green, so that means this is outputting. This is a different shade of green, so that's working. And these are blue, so that seems to be working. So let me check. This should be the last segment. Right, so I can set an effect here. I don't know, BPM. There we go. So this is using the last output. And if I go back to the middle output, they're green. Okay, so let me select that segment. I guess I should show you WLED too. Huh? And let's do a color loop here. Okay, so that's working. And if I go back to the other pin, we're still on BPM. And if I go to the middle pin, we're color looping. Good. And if I go to segment 1, which is again another pin, we go to this one. And let's do color waves. Or dancing shadows. There we go. So now this pin is doing dancing shadows. This pin is doing color loop. And this pin is doing BPM. And, well, I guess this pin's not doing anything. But, oh no, it's blue. Yeah, it's just blue. That's fine. Let's color loop again. There we go. So, yeah, I guess that basically verifies that the extra 3 outputs are working as expected. Now, as I said, these all... oh, we can we still use the touch button? We should be able to. Oh, wait, the LEDs aren't connected. Haha. Yeah, touch button still works fine. Anyway, yeah, so you can now configure 5 outputs on a Dig-Uno or 7 to 8 on a Dig-Quad. And that should work perfectly fine. As I said, these are all level shifted using the same level shifters as on the normal Dig boards. The only difference is the normal Dig boards have a 249R resistor, which is very suited for longer single wire data cables. And these will come with 33R resistors, which is much more suited for 3-wire cable. And then I'm thinking about Christmas folk running their props and stuff like that with X-Connect cables and things like that. So yeah, even if you don't want to use a data booster, but you do want to use 3-wire cable and maybe some 2-wire cable, that would be the ideal solution. It'll work fine for shorter 2-wire or 1-wire data cables too, but after about 3 meters or so, the resistor starts making a bigger difference between each type and each type of data cable. So for shorter cables, either will work fine, but for longer cables, one data wire, the Dig boards will do better, and then 3-wire cable, this AE Plus hat will do better, because I think those extra channels will mainly be used for Christmas people and stuff like that. Johnny promoted my channel on his YouTube, so now we should see an influx of thousands of people. This will be the most popular live stream ever. Well, maybe. What? Only 11 likes? Oh no. YouTube algorithm is going to hate me. But yeah, that is another feature working. And I'm gonna let this wire go. Okay. That's another feature working. So we're now 3 of 5. 3 of 5 in the working category. Okay, it's poll time. We're gonna do the digital microphone after this, but we need to flash the audio reactive version of WLED for that. But we need to make an important choice. And this will be the most important choice of this evening. Which one? Do I go for cherry? Or do I go for vanilla? They're both nice. I like them both. But which one should I drink next? It's your choice. Let's go for it. Cherry. Okay, that's one cherry. Mix them. No, I'm not going to mix them. What? Cherry, vanilla. Cherry is closest to pink. Okay, vanilla. Oh god, I need to start counting. Damn it. Cherry. No. These are all 0. There's 0 sugar. It says so on the can. 0. Here, 0 sugar. See that? Yeah. So no sugar. Oh god. No, none. Both of them are terrible. Vanilla cherry. No, I'm not gonna do both. Oh no. All one jog and add some water. Okay, I'm gonna start counting. Let's see. Vanilla 1, cherry 1, cherry 2, cherry 3, vanilla 2, cherry 4, vanilla 3, vanilla 5, 4, 5, 6, cherry 5, 7 vanilla, cherry 6, 8 vanilla, 9 vanilla, cherry vanilla. I don't have a cup here. It's gonna be vanilla. No. When I started counting vanilla 1, it's gonna be vanilla. Okay, how about this? I'll drink both halfway, and then I'll get a cup and mix them. Vinary. I'll drink both halfway, and then we'll mix them. Okay. Once all features are working, I'll mix them. How about that? That's a good thing. Yes. Sip one, then the other. My brain will be very confused what I'm drinking each time. Have you ever, drank Sprite or 7-Up thinking you're drinking cola, or the other way around, or Dr. Pepper and cola, and that you're just like... This Sprite tastes very odd. It's kind of the same, but it's different. Oh wait, it's Coke Vanilla. And then the flavor hits suddenly, once you realize. Mocktail hour. Malt whiskey doesn't like vanilla. Nice. Okay. So let's... Wait. Okay, so this is the audio reactive GitHub for WLED. It's a fork of WLED which adds audio reactive functions. And let's see here which microphones they recommend. Digital microphone hookup. We are using a ICS 43434 microphone on this little board here. And yeah. So let's go to code, releases, assets, and let's download the normal ESP32 bin. I already have it, but that's fine. Okay, and let's just flash it over it, the custom beta 6 I'm running. I'm just wondering if my data wire is going to hang on. It's just hanging loose there. Anyway, let's do a manual OTA update. Choose file, downloads. Let's do the sound reactive version. Flash. Oh, Mr. Snacks, you're going to miss the mix. It's okay. Those Cokes are hard to find here in Canada. They used to be also here in the Netherlands, but I guess I'm drinking enough of them that they're now easier to get. Oh, okay, cool. Okay, so now we're on the audio reactive version of WLED. Let's see if our LED configuration it seems to have made it over to the new firmware. Let me just put the data wire back into its board version terminal, because I think it will stick in there best. Okay, because it's not screwed down. Anyway, let's see if we can change colors. Yes, we can. Okay. So next thing we need to do is, there's now a menu called sound settings over here. Let's go there. And we have a generic I2S microphone. And then you need to enter 3 pins. Now I wrote those down. 25, 27, 32, wait, SD. SD in my case is 25. And then WS is 27. And then SCK is 32. And I'm going to lower squelch to 1. And I'm going to put gain on, I don't know, 10, whatever. There we go. Save. Please reset the board for changes to take effect. Okay. I'm wondering if it's doing that automatically now. I'm not sure, but let's do that anyway. Reboot. We just passed 100 viewers! Yeah! Oh, we lost them. Okay. And now, we should have some nice effects here. Okay, sure. And I believe noise meter is always a good one. Oh. Yeah? I think it's already working. Yeah? Yeah? It's... Let's do a noise fire. Blah. Okay, well, just me talking here seems to make it work just fine. Okay. Well, these demonstrations are really boring if everything just works instantly. Of course, I kind of hoped it would, because this is the 3rd prototype I think I made. Yeah, because I made this one first. This one didn't have the touch button yet. Let me show you bigger. This one didn't have the touch button yet. It looks angry. And then after that came the version with the first touch button and some layout changes and some changes over here. See, things changed around, and or the IR moved spots, and so this is my 3rd prototype. And, well, I'm really hoping this got it all right. Let's go back here. Let's see what else we can do. Gravimeter. Hello. Okay. Yeah. It looks angry. Ooh. Let's see. Gravicentric. Okay. Oh! Yes! I need to talk kind of louder. Well, I guess I could adjust the gain. I don't know. But, that seems to work. La, 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 ah! Okay. Ah. When are we getting the SD card option for the quad? Well, we're going to test the SD card after this. And if that works, you can buy this board and put it on a quad, and then you'll have the SD card on a quad. And it'll work with all V3 or V2 and V3 quads, no problem. Or yeah, so the pre-assembled versions or the upcoming DIY release, which is pretty close. So you were having way too much fun with this. Yeah, it's because I didn't really prepare this stream and I was busy with a lot of other stuff. So I'm like, okay, let's just sit down and have fun. I need to test this anyway. So that's what we're doing. Yes, we're going to use the ESP Pixel Stick firmware for the SD card. This guy sounds like Freddie Mercury V2. That is an insult to the dead guy. I mean, I do not. Let's see. Pixel Wave. I don't know what all these effects do. This is kind of boring. Plasmoid. Oh, right. We have these two. No, I don't want 2Ds. Bin map. Okay. Wow. That is quite sensitive. Hello? Yes. Blurs. Blurs? Okay. DJ light. Well, okay. That's not very spectacular. Freak wave. Oh, this has a lot of options over here. Okay. Hello? I don't know what all this does. Any plans for a 3.5 meter input jack? Not right now, no. I could look into that in the future, maybe, but, yeah. Noise move. Okay. Well, it lights up to my voice, I guess. So that's good. Grav frequency. Okay. Oh, so... Oh, okay. So the white slowly moves back. And it stays, like, around the loudest noise it heard. I guess. Hello? Where is the microphone connected? The microphone is right here. This little tiny hole here. I can tap it. Oh, it doesn't make much of a difference. But yeah, this tiny little hole here, I'll show you. Well, so over here on the board, yeah, there we go. It says microphone. That is where the microphone is. Connect a matrix. Oh, I could do that, I think. I haven't tested with it though. Maybe we'll do that as an extra, okay? I think I might have some, but yeah, maybe maybe later, maybe later. Ah, don't hit my lights. Sorry about that. Hope no one's seasick. Okay. Diggy mic won't require audio in unlike analog mic. What? The microphone is where the microphone is? Nobody would have expected that. That's what does waterfall do? Waterfall doesn't do anything. Okay. Rocktaves. Okay. Yeah, no clue. Okay. Oh no, printer porn is sick. Yeah, this doesn't require anything. This is a digital microphone, so it should give you the best quality and best frequency response and blah blah blah. Frequency wave, I don't know, frequency pixels, I don't know. How does this all work? Noise fire. Yes. Let's do different colors, I guess. I don't know. Whatever. Fine. So I'm calling this a win. I mean, it's going haywire. But it's definitely reacting to my voice. So that's good. So I'm calling that a win. So should I now... Okay, I'm gonna take another sip of this one. Okay, and now I'm going to open this one. And then once we get the SD card working, I'll mix them in a cup. There's still some left in here. Yeah. Okay. And yeah, so now I get my cherry. Got some YouTube library of music you can try on the mic. Maybe, but my audio is currently on the on the microphone, so not on the speakers. I guess that's fun to try. Let me look that up on my phone, see if that works. Right, so let's kill the music. Okay, that's dead. I don't know. I'm just listening to the song. That's I don't know, let's decrease this. More fade rate, yes. Anyway, okay, I think that proves it works. I don't know. So let's get the my my normal music back. Oh, it just started a new song. Nice. Yeah, the mic seems to respond pretty well. I'm going to make a little change to the microphone hole still, but that shouldn't influence it too much. And, I mean, even with me just talking here, yeah, that works fine. Great, great. Now I need to find something. Right, because the next thing we're going to do is we're going to be flashing the ESP Pixel Stick firmware, because that the V4 beta now has support for the ESP32 and also for the SD card slot. So we're going to be using that to test that. Now first I'm going to screw down the data wire again before it ruins our day. Okay, there we go. Oh wait, and I'm gonna leave the board off because I probably need to USB connect it. So let's do that. One of the features I guess I should highlight is that even like this, you could use the 3 data channels, so you don't need a dig board anymore to run digitally addressable LEDs with level shifted outputs, if you wanted to. You don't have fusing, and you don't have 12 volt or 24 volt support. You don't have input and output terminals. You don't have reverse polarity protection. All the other crap you don't have, but you do get level shifted output channels. If that's the only thing you wanted, you could just buy this board, so it comes with an ESP32 and then the top board, and use it like that. But yeah. Beta 4 still has issues with random rebooting. Okay, well, we're gonna try it right now anyway. So, how does that work again? I believe I just download it, and it has a Java thingy in it to flash it, I think. Yeah, I believe so. Let me unzip that real quick. So I'm gonna give you this view. No, I'm gonna give you this view. Okay, let me just unzip that. Unzip that. Because I don't know if I have Java installed on this machine. It's a new Windows 11 machine. Yeah, no, there's no application for .jar files. Okay, so then we're gonna download Java. I hate Oracle. Okay. I want 64-bit. I think. I don't know. Let's install this one. Yes. You won't see the pop-up, but it's just hitting install, that's it. What? Did I say crap? Oh, well, yeah, all the other features. you know. Okay. I have now installed Java. Let me see if I can run the tool. Yes, I can. Let me see if I can capture the tool. And I can. But it's a bit small. Can I enlarge this? It's not that big. Oh, let's not do that. Hold on. So, to flash ESP Pixel Stick, you use this little tool here, and it first asks you for your SSID, and then it does for your passphrase, which I don't want to show you guys, but for some reason it's not hidden, so I'm not gonna show you the rest of the tool. Hostname, SD test, that's fine. Hardware, I don't know, it's an ESP30, generic ESP32, and then it's COM3, and then I'm not going to show you guys because, well, I don't want to show you my passphrase. So, you guys are going back to the browser. No, this is my my folder browser. What? Where is it? Hold on just a second. So you guys are going to go back to this. And I'm going to finish that little flashing wizard. Upload. Okay, it erased the flash, and now it's flashing the firmware. Oh, nice printer port, that's cool. Maybe once this is all live and working and stuff like that, we can also include some support for my board. But I'll certainly contact them once that time is there. First, I need to make sure I don't want to still change things. Okay, oh wow, okay, now it's booting and it's showing all kinds of stuff. Okay, the web server is listening. So let's see about that. Yes, awesome. Okay, so now we have ESP Pixel Stick firmware on the ESP32. I mean, it's nice having that tool. It's too bad it requires Java, but it's nice to have that tool. Okay, we have this setup right again. So the LED strip is in GPIO 16, so LED 1, and then well, the SD card slot's right here. So let's look at that. Okay, it's back online. So let's first configure the LED output so that we can see that something is working. I think that's just device setup. Oh wait, no. We need to go to admin over here, right at the top. And then I believe we need to go to advanced mode. There we go. And then we can go to device. No. And I always forget. Okay. Oh, right. I need to make an output. So WS2811, output 1. Let's say we have 300 pixels. And it's on GPIO 16. Right? Save changes. Okay. And, well, it won't show anything yet. But I believe I can make it show a test pattern. Secondary input effects. And let's have it do a rainbow. Save. Okay, so now if there's no input, like using E131 or something like that, the firmware, the ESP Pixel Stick firmware, will be outputting rainbow on all the ports you've configured, right? Okay, that seems to be working fine. But, of course, we wanted to test the SD card. And there is one thing different than the default settings, because I believe I used these pins except for the SD chip select pin. Pin 4 we already used on the Dig-Quad for our 4th LED channel, so in our case this is pin 5. Okay, so let's save that, save changes, and now I should be able to see what's on the SD card somewhere. I don't remember where though. Let's go to the home. No, home. Oh, okay. We can now select file management at the top here. And look at that. There is 2 files on here which are actually on the SD card. And click upload. Click to upload a file with the file or drag and drop it in here. Okay. Let's I don't know. Let me just save my notepad that I have open as an fsec file. Test.fsec. Desktop. Where is it? I have too many windows open. Hold on. Okay, so I have my test.fsec file and I'm just gonna drag it in here. Oh, you can't upload this type of file because Windows named it TXT. It didn't want it to do that, but it did it anyway. So let's rename that on my desktop. Yes. So this needs to go. How do I make it go? Okay. So let's try it again. Test.fsec. And it uploaded it. And it's now on the SD card. And let's download this file, I guess. Can I? Oh, I can remove it. Can I download it too? Oh, I can't download anything from the SD card, I guess. Okay, 16 gigabytes? I thought it was an 8 gigabyte card. SD card remaining. Pin 5 instead of 5? No, pin 5 instead of 4, Johnny. Yeah, I am Dutch. Hello. But yeah, I don't know how else to really test this. I guess I could upload another 8 kilobyte file. Let me test that. Let's rename that. Upload it. Bam! There we go. Yeah. Can I remove it again? Remove it? Okay. What happens if I remove the SD card? Let's remove this one. Okay, now it says nothing. Right, and now I'm going to insert the SD card again. Yep, and the files reappear. So, that seems to be working. Let me open my OBS. Okay. I don't know what else to test here. I don't really know how the SD card functionality works yet with X-Lights and FPP and stuff like that. I was mainly concerned about getting the hardware working, and I believe if this basically works in ESP Pixel Stick, you now have a board with 5 output channels with an SD card slot that you can use to run your shows or whatever. Live, it'll crash. What? Maybe I can upload a bigger file. Let me find a bigger file that I can just upload there. Oh, I can just upload the sound reactive firmware. I need to rename it first. Hold on. Yes. Okay, and let's drag it to the window there. There we go. Oh wow, it even shows the speed. Oh, yes! 200 kilobytes a second! Oh, it's done. Okay. Okay, so now we uploaded a... Oh, that's not very big either. Is it? These bite size, that's very odd, because on my desktop, the file is 1.28 megabytes. But over here, it's 195 kilobytes? That makes no sense. Let's reboot this thing. Oh, you mean it will crash with live removal of the SD card? Yeah, that's never good. We've talked about that for SD card support in WLED. It might be on the feature list somewhere, but it's not high priority per se. But yeah. Okay, so I don't know why it's displaying these weird file sizes. But other than that, the only thing I can really conclude is that it's working. Is there something else I can see? This is working fine. Fire flicker. Let's change our test pattern. I don't like that test pattern. Okay. Save. No, don't show my... Okay. Phew! It has the password hidden. So yeah, I don't know what else to show there. This seems to be working just fine. So that's 5 of 5 features working. Can we test the sequence? Yeah, I don't know how, Stubbs. Yeah, I uploaded WLED using ESP Pixel Stick. That's true. Oh, Tech Turtle, you're here, but you're just in time because we just. Oh no! Wait, don't move that. Hold on. No, don't do that. Okay, okay. Because we just uploaded some files using the QuinLED-ESP32+AE Plus. Yeah, now we need to Coke mix. So I still have plenty of both. I have a little bit of more cherry than vanilla. So let me take a sip. And I'll be right back to get a glass. Okay, I've got the glass. So, how am I going to do this? Let's turn the LEDs off. Okay. Now we have glass cam, right? So, do I start with Coke or do I start with vanilla? Wait, do I start with cherry? There's a little bit more cherry, so I'll start with vanilla. So let's okay. And then we have the cherry. Oh, there's a lot more cherry. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if there's a way to play the sequences locally. So it's still a dark brown liquid. Now just add some Mentos. Puke factor 25! Yeah. Well, let's try it. Yeah, it's cherry vanilla. I don't know. It's okay. It's a bit much in regards to taste. I like the pure tastes better. Mixmeister Quindor! Mocktail for the win! Oh yeah. Yeah, I like the pure tastes better than the mixed one. Sorry. Stir it. Have to... No, I don't... No, it's okay, but... Yeah, I like... I like the pure taste better. It's okay, but... Yeah. So, Tech Turtle or Stubbs, I don't know. Is there a way to play it locally or maybe trigger it from X-Lights or something like that? We've only been streaming about 1 hour and 20 minutes, so we can take a look at that. You can put that on an AN Penta, Andy, but we're not going to do that this stream because I don't have the whole setup prepared for that. Cherry Vanilla Dr. Pepper, oh my god. LED Matrix, sure, but then we have to flash back to the other firmware. You can trigger it through FPP, but should play locally too. Yeah, okay. But I don't know how to do either of those things. Let me turn it back on. Okay, there it is. It still sees the file on the SD card, that's good. Okay, so it's in... Primary input, secondary input, FPP remote. Oh, you can't see what I'm seeing. Hold on. Because you can't see the pull down menus. Let me try and add a screen capture. Now this is where everything goes wrong. No, not window capture, I need screen capture. Display capture, okay. Not that one. For some reason it doesn't want to capture this screen. Let me capture another screen. No, let me capture another screen. Hold on. No. Yes. So that's you guys. And now I can do this. There we go. And so if I select FPP remote, I can say, okay, fsec file to play, and I can select the files I uploaded, but those aren't really sequence files. Those are just random crap files. Can somebody send me a sequence file that I can upload? But then when will it play? Because here I can't say that it's primary. I can only say that it's a secondary input. Because normally, of course, FPP would trigger which file to play, I think. So maybe this then is a backup file that it'll play when there's no remote coming in. Maybe. Can somebody send me an FSEC file on Discord? I can't see the chat anymore. Hold on. Oh, Andy's here, top spender. Also, hi, chat. Thanks, Andy. Should play on boot when FPP tells it to. Yeah, but I don't have FPP running anywhere, so yeah. It sees the files, that's good. Let me check my Discord real quick. Nobody has sent me an FSEC file yet. Come on, guys. I need to check the chat, sorry. Ah, Stubbs is working on making one. Okay, then I'll just drink my cherry Coke vanilla mix. You have a FSEC file? Well, those are just random files I renamed. The selection there should play on boot. Remote play will play whatever it's told. No need for selection. Right, right. No, those are fake FSEC files. So I'll just wait for the FSEC file and then I'll upload it and then we'll see if it works. Yes, FSEC files are X-Lite sequences. SEKSS rules. Oh yeah. Thanks, Johnny. I appreciate it. Now you're getting double highlighted. Schrijf iets. What? Why are you talking Dutch, Andy? If I had faster internet. Oh. Because your YouTube window says it. Oh, yeah, that's true. Yeah, yeah. I keep setting my YouTube to English and then it keeps reverting back to Dutch. I don't know why. It's really irritating. But, yeah. It's okay, Tech Turtle. Get me one, or otherwise Stubbs will get me one, I think. Just something random, it's fine. We just need to test if it works. Because one thing I find odd is that the file sizes don't really seem to match what I'd expect them to be. I hear the beep. Tech Turtle. Okay, bars test FSEC. Okay. Okay, it downloaded. I think I can actually just drag it here. Okay, so now we have the bars test file in here. Thanks, Tech Turtle. Okay, so now we can go to device setup, FPP remote, play, bars test, save. Now, I only have one LED output channel. I don't see the GPIO anymore. Maybe I need to go to advanced mode. Let's go to advanced mode, okay. Right, so this is 16. This is set to bars test. Okay, hold on. Okay, there's another. Let's upload that one too. Test fsec. There we go. Oh, the upload stalled. Uh-oh. Why? Didn't like that one. Let me refresh that. Let's try that again.
What are you afraid of? I'm lost in old ways.
Okay, test.fsec. Okay, fine. Let's select that one then, I guess. There we go. Save changes. And now I should reboot it. Reboot. Okay, diagnostics. I can't see chat right now, so let me switch back to chat. Oh, try boot, yeah. Okay. It's not doing anything. It might need an FPP connection, I don't know. Because it's also not showing anything in diagnostics, so... Oh no, don't go to Discord. Let's see what chat is saying. Shouldn't primary input be FPP? Yeah, but I can't select it there. Maybe, not sure how to trigger them. Yeah, I'm not sure either. Yeah, there's not too much more I can select, really, because if I do effect, it works fine. Right, so we get the rainbow, okay. So my channel is selected correctly. FPP remote. Let's take this one, I don't know. Save. Should I have more outputs? Oh, I need to go to advanced mode. Let's add 2 more outputs. So 3 in total. Nope. Oh no, I don't remember which ports they were. $21. Nope. Increase number of columns to show all data. Okay. I don't know. 50. It's all black. Let's see if someone in the chat has an idea.
Let's pretend and be friends in the dark. Say bye.
900 channels for 300 LEDs. Okay. Let's remove the non-real files. Okay. Yeah, that seems to be the right size at least. Yeah, I don't know. Let's okay, I'm gonna remove this screen, the capture thing. I don't know how to do this. And if no one in chat has a brilliant idea either, yeah, I'm thinking it might need FPP too, but can I run FPP somehow very simply? Or do I need a Pi for that, or what do I need? Can I just run that in a VM, or can I run it in Windows? I don't know. I've never played with FPP before, so I know XLight works, and I can connect to with XLights and send it data. I know that works. That's fine, but yeah. You can use Xschedule as a master and trigger it. Use Xschedule. Okay. XLights. Don't think XLights is on this computer, but we can fix that. Let me just install that real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna screen share again, so I'm gonna move the chat this time. And then I'm gonna share this screen. Let's wait for it to install. No, I don't want to restart my computer. Are you insane? Don't do that. Okay, so there is the Xschedule app. And it's I need to select a show folder. Let's call it X shows. Select folder. And then it gives me this application. It might be a bit small, but I really can't do anything about that right now. So I guess I should add those. Oh yeah, firewall, fine. Add those two files there. Okay, add playlist. Sorry. Add fsec.video. Okay, there's a test here, I guess. Okay. Don't know what all this does. But then again, I don't have any output devices configured. Should I do that in Xlights first? Somebody Discorded me. A Tech Turtle can call if he wants to, sure, but I don't have that set up, so I have no clue. Let me try and figure this out real quick first, and then we can try that, because I like doing stuff myself. So master, remote. Okay. Let's do an FPP unicast. But then how do I tell it where to send it? Configure FPP remotes. Okay. Sure. That is one. Okay. Oh, it turned green. I'm hoping that's good. FPP remote. Let's see what someone says. Yeah, no. I'm just gonna try and do these tests first. Light outputs off. Idle. Tools. A hammer will solve your problem. We need to do some setup in Xlights first. Why? Because I added the remote. That seems to be working. Oh, brightness. Okay. Test. Nope. Missing xlights.xml. Okay, you're right. Sorry. Okay. So we have okay. We have xlights. No thanks. Oh no. What? Oh, okay. Yeah, xlights again. I need to first add a controller. I've done that before. Why is this so small and can't resize it? I'm just gonna do generic E1. Oh wait, no, maybe I don't need to do. Vendor. Yeah, but we're not using WLED. We're using FPP right now. Because Tech Turtle sent me a little guide on Discord. Vendor pixel sticks. Okay, right. Because it can't configure WLED because we're not running WLED. Okay, yeah, ESP pixel stick 4. Yeah, great. ESP32, sure. Protocol, whatever. Visualize. Save that. Oh no, I need to put in an IP. Where do I put in the IP? Save. Okay. Why didn't it take it? 10. FTP proxy IP hostname. Oh no, we don't need a proxy. What? Don't want that. Save. Is it now okay? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I did. Okay. So now let's launch Xschedule again. Okay, the red warning in Xschedule is now gone. Modes, test. Okay, so it's now testing. It's not doing any packets. Okay, out of test mode and go, okay, sure. Yeah, it found the controller we just configured in Xlights. Test? No. Master, okay. But how do I tell it to go? Light outputs off. Light outputs on. Okay. That's good. Test. Are we getting anything over here? Nope. Go to layout and add a string of 300. Oh, right. I need to set pixel stick to primary E131, I guess. Primary E131. Okay. Save. Okay. Test. No, we don't want to be in remote mode. We want to be in master mode. How does this work? Oh, we're not done in Xlights? Okay. Save. Okay, sure, we'll make a little layout. Just give me a line. Should this be 300 nodes or 900? I never remember. Oh, no, wait. Nodes per string, light per node. Oh, I never remember. But okay, this is connected to Ethernet. Save. Sure. Yeah, okay, 300 nodes. Connected to Ethernet. Save, and let's just see if we can test that. Wait, am I not done yet? Oh, it needs to know something. Port 0, fine. Yeah, whatever. Okay, it needs to be port 1, I guess. Is it also port 1 in ESP pixel stick? Output 1. Yeah, okay, sure. Okay, and then oh, wait, save. Then I can make a sequence. New sequence. Sure, whatever. Quick start. And let's do this guy. And what was the button again to make that show up? Over here, output the lights. Another process seems to be outputting the lights right now. This might not generate the results you expect. Okay. Hi! Okay. Okay. Are you seeing this? Yes. So we have something outputting to the LED strip. Then go back to the controller and hit the visualizer. Visualize the controllers tab. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. You can visualize something here. Well, okay. Well, it doesn't matter. I fixed it this way. Okay, so we have X-Light contact through ESP Pixel Stick to my little module here. So that's working. So now I quit X-Lights and then try it again in X-Schedule. Turn the light output off. Okay. Off. Save. Okay, save. Let's call this Q1 then, I guess. Save. Okay, we now have Q1. Okay, then what? I'm getting a live tutorial here. Yeah, well, we've got the FSEC. I can hit visualize here now if you want, sure. But okay. Upload that to the ESP. Sure, we can do that. Let me find it real quick. Q1.fsec. Okay, that's been uploaded. Oh, FPP Connect. Okay. But where's the tools? Tools? FPP Connect. Okay. Okay. Q1. Oh, we need to add an FPP. Okay. Can I now upload it? Let me delete it real quick. Okay. Tools. FPP Connect. Add FPP. Upload. It doesn't appear on my little controller board. Make sure it's still in FPP mode on Pixel Stick. Sure, I put it to... oh, there we go. I put it to E131. But I guess I can disable that, and now it... Sorry about that. And let's say play remote sequence. Save. Right, so now it's in FPP. Oh, it lost connection, I guess. There we go. So now it should be in play remote sequence mode. But we don't have the Q1 file here. So let's go back to X-Lights. Let's do Tools, FPP Connect. Oh, there it is. Yeah, this one was called SD Test, and it's running ESP Pixel Stick 4.x. Okay, so let's upload this file. Upload. Okay, right. That uploaded. Let's check here. F5. Yep, okay. So we have the Q1.fsec. Wow, that's 1 megabyte. Okay, sure. Okay, so now we go to here. Let's open Xschedule new just to make sure. Okay, Xschedule. It says remote, that's wrong, I guess. I want master and then, I don't know, broadcast? Why is it doing remote? Oh, disabled, okay. Let's hope it's now in master mode, I guess. Add playlist, add, I don't know. No. Oh wait, I should add my own thing, of course. So q1.fsec. That's this one, okay. Okay. Test. No. How do I tell it to right click on the right window? I can't click anywhere over here. You need an extra Coke for all this effort, yeah. Let's delete these because those are bogus, I guess. Delete. Schedule. Let's make sure we make it. Loop. I don't know. Okay. Okay, now until blah blah blah. Okay. Okay. Playing. It says it's playing. Do I see that over here? No. Should just be able to hit play. Okay, it's playing. Several seconds left. Frame rate. Okay, that seems to be working. Except we're not seeing anything. Is there a remote status on the ESP main page home? Oh yeah, there is. FFP remote status. Master IP, that's correct. It's playing q1.fsec. But it's not getting any sync or adjustment packets. Okay, let me try a different mode. Let's not do multicast because it's on a different wireless network. Let's do only unicast. Okay. It got some packets. It's paused. Play. Why is it paused? I guess we could do broadcast. Oh, I don't want to do broadcast. No, it's at least getting sync packets now. Okay, level it on, off. So, if this is a play, does it mean it's playing? I guess so, because now these numbers are Oh, you can't see that. Haha. Sorry about that. So right now, these numbers are syncing. Right? So it's getting sync packets. Diagnostics. Let's make this 50. Let me remove those extra strips. Because we only have one output hooked up. Save. Okay. Yeah, it's playing, just not showing for some reason. Agreed. Yeah, the file's here. Q1 FSEC. We're pretty close. That all looks like it should work, yeah. Your power output on the LED side. Well, we're not seeing anything on the LEDs, so, I mean, I can check here if I put this to effects, save. The LEDs are working, right? That's properly configured. So let's go back to FPP remote. Play remote sequence, or maybe I should put it on Q1, I guess. Oh, that works. Hey, that's working. Okay, so now it's locally playing that Q1 file, right? So, because now we said here, FPP remote, and then here we told it to play Q1, and so now it's outputting Q1. Okay, that's... Oh, now it's stopped. That's probably because my Q1 output isn't the full 30 seconds. That's right. Okay, yeah, because I only had a little bar in X-Lights. Okay, okay, that's good. So now let's say play remote file, save, and I'm going to quit X-Lights, and I'm going to quit X-Schedule. Oh, it seems like X-Schedule might be stuck. Let me kill X-Schedule real quick. Die! Okay. Resource usage, very high! What are you talking about? it's not doing anything. Anyway. Okay, so now let's launch X-Schedule again. And let's put this on the home. Okay, because it's not receiving sync packets anymore. Fine. We'll put this to mode unicast. Okay, it didn't save my sequence files. Okay, let's delete these. I think maybe there were two X schedules running for some reason. Add playlist. Let's add my Q1. Okay. And let's say light outputs are on. Let's schedule this until 23:50. Okay. And now it's playing. Okay, so then we should see. Yeah, so it's receiving the sync packets again. But it doesn't have any output. Go to Xschedule, Modes, Configure FPP Remote. Configure FPP Remote. Yeah, it's in there. Edit. 10.24.1.116. Yeah, that's correct. And it's also green over here. And I mean, we're receiving sync packets, so that part is working. Hit save. Save. Configure test. What does test do? Yeah, no.
Remember all the happy times we had.
Yeah, unicast is working because we're receiving sync packets, so I think it has contact with my ESP. Yeah, but I can check the power, but we have the diagnostics here in ESP Pixel Stick itself, and it's showing black. So it's not displaying any pixel information to the pixels, and we know the configuration and the power and everything else is correct. So I don't think that's the problem, Chris Star. Have you tried turning it off and on again? Actually, I have not. Let's do that. Okay, hit the power switch. We'll get the disconnected. Okay, let's go back. Power on.
All right. I'll tell you the truth.
Let's wait a second. Okay. Okay, and it's back to receiving... Oh, it's doing a lot of sync adjustments. But yeah, it's playing that sequence file. It's just not showing. Let me try something. Let me try something real quick. No, output 1. And we configured output 1. I'm getting secret messages from TechTurtle on Discord. Hold on. Well, it's beta software for a reason. That's true. I'm out of Coke. Okay, let's stop this. Close this. Let's go back to X-Lights. Oh, it's on the other monitor. Oh no, it's here. Okay, fine. What does... Go to X-Lights, hit upload output on controller page. It seems like the channel, okay. Let's make this the full 30 seconds while we're here anyway. Okay, so... Wait, how did that work? Because E131 isn't enabled. Oh, it's still doing E30... Oh, okay. But... Oh, it isn't it. Oh, it reconfigured the controller. Okay, interesting. Right, so now it reconfigured the controller. Oh, go back. And if I tell it to play this... Right, this is showing some random LED pattern. That's fine, let's save that. Let's upload that with FPP Connect again. Okay, it's seeing the controller. Let's upload the file again. Okay, Now let's close Xlights. What's this? Oh, okay. And let's go back to Xschedule. And hit play. Sorry if this is boring. I don't know where to leave the window. Modes. I guess I can enable different modes. But the problem is, I won't be able to broadcast or unicast because it's on a different subnet. So it has to have the unicast and then it works. Right? So if only unicast, it's receiving packets. Check the cape box. Change FPP remote config to Q1 file. Yeah. If I select the Q1 file manually over here and hit save, it works. So the file on the SD card is working because this is the sequence we uploaded to the SD card and it's playing manually. Right, so FPP is now disabled and E31 isn't doing anything. And it's playing that FSEC file we made locally on the ESP itself. So that FSEC file is okay. And the whole SD card function and stuff like that seems to be working, because otherwise it wouldn't be able to play this file locally anyway. Right? So let's go back to play remote sequence again. Save. Okay, we're in the FPP remote status, and it's supposedly playing the file. Oh, okay, yeah, sure. Thanks, Doggy. Well, it's a good test, but we did that already. And so, in my opinion, my hardware is working, and this is a software either configuration I don't understand, or a bug somewhere. Let's disable E31 just to make sure. Oh, okay. Yeah, so this in theory should just work. It shouldn't be on off, right? It should be on on. Playlist looping. Save changes. Brightness, I don't know. What's the highest we can go? I need to look at this on the other monitor, sorry. Oh. Oh, what? Okay, Xschedule just crashed. Sorry. Xschedule, let's do it again. But I think we're gonna... What's this? Oh, what's this? Is this a little preview window from Xschedule? What's this black little square here? Select sync folder, okay. Select show folder. Yeah, it's in X shows. Yeah, this is the same folder as... Oh, you can't see my screen? Why not? Oh, sorry about that. We need to go to... No, wait. Wait, why isn't it capturing my screen anymore? What? What's going on? OBS is confused. Okay. Let's try and remove it. Add. Display capture. There we go. Sorry, I don't know what happened, but OBS got confused and didn't want to capture this display anymore. Russian hackers? Oh no. Okay. Let's see. What's one last thing we could try, and then I'm going to end the stream. Because I think we've proven that the SD card function is also working. Because if it can play it locally, it should be able to play it remotely. And the sync packet thing seems to be working also. Let me just... so... what? Needs more coke. Maybe later. FPP remote. Play remote. Yeah, because if I just select this one, save, it plays it just fine. So that means the sequence file should be fine. And it's getting sync packets. It's just not starting the playback. Okay, now I just got confused, I guess. Let me just do it one more time. There we go. And then play remote. Oh, okay. What are we doing wrong, guys? Are we doing anything wrong? Touch the touch button again. Yeah, that's not it. 100%! This is awesome! Xched is kind of crappy. FPP works better. Yeah, probably. Yeah, right. So I guess that is the main thing we were trying to do. Verify that the hardware is working. And, well, I think we pretty much did that. So all functions on my AE Plus version of my ESP32 are working. And as I said, I'll probably make 3 versions of it. The IR plus microphone plus touch version, for if you have like a Dig-Uno or a Dig-Quad somewhere in your house and you'd like to use audio reactive or remote or something like that. Then I'll make an SD card and 3 external extra port version for, you know, the Christmas folks who want to run a few props off of a module. And especially if you put this on a Dig-Quad, you get 7 channels and you also have 7 outputs. And, you know, you can run lots of small or bigger LED things with that. And then there will be the Uber version, hey, which will have everything. Oh, and all versions, of course, will have the touch button because that's free. So you can select the one you need. One thing though, and I know I'll get 1,000 questions about this, but currently I am only going to make it an AE Plus and not an AB Plus. In theory, I could make an AB Plus version, but because you then have cables down here and you'll have cables up here, the Wi-Fi signal, you'll have cables running over the Wi-Fi signal and stuff like that. So I'll only be making an external antenna version for right now, because otherwise, well, the shop would also explode with all the different versions. And as I said, I think I'm only going to make it an extra additional board you can buy right now, because if I add all the different models to the Dig-Uno and the Dig-Quad page, you'll get a list of this long of options to select, and especially people who are less in the know really won't have a clue anymore what to select. So if you have a few Dig-Unos and Dig-Quads already and you just want to upgrade, you buy an ESP32 AE+, and, well, this is what you get. Well, okay, it's probably going to be white with a nicer terminal and stuff like that, but yeah. And, yeah, that's it basically. So I guess that's extra money, and you'll have ESP32s left over because whether you have an AB one or an AE or an ABE one on there, maybe you can use those in another project. I don't know, but I just don't want to complicate things too much. Also for the users who aren't that much in the know, and having a list of 20 different options really wouldn't help them. Yeah, and I think a lot of you will want to buy it as a separate board to upgrade what you have right now. And no, I won't be selling the top half separately, even if you already have an Ethernet board. Sorry. That's just going to complicate things too much. So, yeah, you can upgrade your current boards and add one, either or all of the functionalities that this new board offers. And I think if once that FPP remote thing works right, and you don't have to use Ethernet anymore to run your pixels in real time, and even a Dig-Uno can do 5 channels if you do your power distribution and fusing and stuff externally, or use a Dig-Quad for that. Or maybe something's coming later this year. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's going to be a great option to run your LEDs. Another great option. Now convince AirCookie to add SD card support for X-Lite sequences, right? Yeah, sure. Send them this stream. Just a software bug. We'll figure it out. Yeah, I think so. Most important thing is the hardware is done, so I can look into getting it made and pricing it out and stuff like that. And, yeah. What did he say? I don't know. Did I say anything? I don't remember. Blanked out for a little bit. It's all this weird Coke. I mean, I drank three cans of Coke this stream. What do you want from me? So this is regular Coke, and then we have vanilla Coke, and I'm all coked up. Don't trust what I'm saying right now. And yeah, cherry Coke. Estimated price. I don't know yet. I have to see what production and all of that will cost me. Especially because it has the extra channels on there. I can't make it too cheap because that would, I don't know, I feel that might influence the Dig board sales themselves. So I still need to figure that out. It won't be outrageously expensive, but yeah. Price and availability. I'm dying over here. Yeah, there's no sugar in there. I'm just naturally hyped. I don't know. I hope I will be able to get this selling in like a month or month and a half, something like that. So, yeah. Cool. Well, that's 5 for 5, I'd say. Even though we didn't get to display the LEDs, we did play them locally from the SD card. So I think that's a win. 5 for 5. So, yeah. That's gonna be it. What time is it? Yo, we've been streaming for almost 2.5 hours. I think that's fair. Right. I thank everyone who stayed here watching me excruciatingly murder X-Lights and X-Schedule. And, I hope to see you guys all the next time. Bye-bye.